Hey, I'm Marissa. Let's draw together. Today we're going to be drawing a vaccine and the coronavirus. Let's start with the vaccine. So I'm going to just draw a curve that goes around like this, and then a big line at the top. We're going to make another curve around. Now at this point, you're going to draw a line down. On the other side, a line down, and then connect any points that are not connected, like I did. Now we're going to draw a line that goes across and around, like mine. From these two lines, we're going to make a curve out and down. Same thing on the other side, curve out and down, and then keep going down to however big you want your vaccine to be. Down, down, down. And mine's going to stop right there. Now curve off a corner, curve off another corner, and then a line down the middle, like that. I'm going to draw mine to be a face, and it's just going to have a curve like this, and another curve like that. We're going to draw a line in the middle, and then a big smile with a tongue. My tongue's going to go like that, and then another line. I'm going to be holding one of those syringes that they poke you with for your shots. So just draw two lines like I did, and then we're going to draw a big curve that goes around and into that line like this, and then another curve that goes around and down like mine, go around, and then make it like a big oval. There we go. At the top where you press it, it's going to have two lines like that, and then a line out, out again, up, up, and then a line down the middle. And then here's where the needle is. We're going to make a line down, a bigger line down, and then a dashed line to go and end it. We're going to draw some lines. Some are big, some are small for the measuring side of the syringe. So just do this all the way down. And since I drew a hand, I'm going to draw another arm, and it's just going to go up and around. And then for the leg, same thing, go around like that, around again. For the COVID-19, it's just a big circle. So draw a big circle like this, and then there's little spores coming out of that circle. So just two lines up, and then a ball that goes around. And you can make some in, some will be out like this. It's however you want it to be. I'm gonna just do mine, every one is opposite, so in, out, in. So this one's going to be out like that. Another one goes in and around, and just keep making these little spores everywhere, around and around the virus. I'm going to almost be done. And last one. There we go. Now we got the vaccine. Let's put some X's for the eyes. Got one X, another sad face, and then a little tongue sticking out. Blip. There we go. Let's color it in. hope you enjoyed this drawing. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.